Welcome back. This is Tactical Coffee. I don't get to show my 10.5 too much, but this is her. From tip to butt, I'm running Dead Air Sandman, G&G rail, Streamlight, angle grip, EOTech 552, Vortex magnifier. The iron sights came with the upper. I'm not sure of the brand. I think it's G&G. Pistol brace, mag pull grip, and CMC trigger on a Spikes lower. Spikes Tactical lower with all Spikes Tactical components inside. Standard mil-spec buffer tube. But this is her, man. This thing shoots so fast, it's ridiculous. I'm hoping that that silencer stuff go through in Texas. Texas made silencers where I can add a silencer to her. But this is her. I've never seen one of these rails before. Check out the rail. $10.5 Spikes Tactical lower. As you can guess by now, I love EOTech. That's probably my favorite sight. The Dead Air Sandman 3-prong. Streamlight. I just went with the. I didn't even do the switch. I just push button. Well, this is her. Like and subscribe. Tactical Coffee. Help me build my dog shit ass channel. Take some time, guys. Hit that subscribe button to help a brother out. Peace and love, man. Y'all take care.